Hi buddies, today I'm gonna show you tips how to smooth your browsing experience and feel better when you visit a website. Most of the time we saw tons of annoying ads, video content pop up even when we enjoy the video on YouTube. They are so crazy. This is really high time to stop them and make your streaming and browsing enjoyable. In this tutorial, I'm using Firefox browser, but you can do it on Google Chrome browser, also by following this tutorial. Okay, let's go. Chrome browser, also by following this tutorial. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we are in a website. Look at this web page. There are lots of ads showing here and there. Scroll down. Look at this. Lots of ads in a single web page, and look at this tab. It's so annoying for user. Click on this hamburger icon and go to add-ons. Search adblock and press the enter button. You can see lots of add-ons displayed here. But we want using their verified add-ons by Firefox. Click on this and click on this button, add to Firefox. It's downloading. Wait a bit. Click on add. Okay. Now it's activate. Back to this site and refresh this site again. Now, yeah, it's look clean and fresh. There are no ads, no annoying ads, content, pop-up, nothing else. Now it's look clean. And you can see there are no ads, and this add-ons almost block 12 ads in a single page. Nothing else. Now it's look clean. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and like and share this video. Thank you. Thank you.